See what the battery's done too. So battery's at 15.3. ESC is at 125. Motor's at 115. Not too bad. Alright, let's see if I can push it a little faster. Track, start. She's super squirrely. Make sure nobody's coming. Oh, managed to save her. Okay, see, let's turn it around. Nobody's coming, nope. Very squirrely. See what we got out of here now. So we're gonna do stop, read. Sam, we got 62 miles an hour. I think that's all I'm gonna get today. Let me try a fresh battery pack and see what she does.